In this video, I'm going to show you how you can subscribe to our email lists that are available in the Simply Investing web application. The first list that you can subscribe to is the list of top ranked stocks. And just as a reminder, these are stocks that get a grade of 10 out of 10 in the Simply Investing criteria. The next list is going to be the runners up list, and here are companies that get a grade of 9 out of 10 in the SI criteria. And then finally, the last list is going to be the deep valued dividend stock list, and these are stocks that are below undervalue. So let's take a look in the application right now. So the first thing you need to do is come to the top right hand corner of the page. There's a little gear icon. I'm going to go ahead and click on it right now. Then under the submenu, there's an option here that says email list. I'm going to go ahead and click on that right now. And you can see we have a list of the 3 email lists. We've got the top ranked stocks, runners up, and deep valued. So if I want to subscribe to them, you've got a couple of options here. You can do daily, so you'll get an email once a day, weekly, which is sent out every Saturday, and monthly, which is sent out at the first of the month. So I'm going to go ahead and click on daily. For runners up, I'll select weekly, and then for deep valued, I'm going to go ahead and select monthly. And if you want to unsubscribe, you just come back to this page and you would change the settings back to none. So I'm happy with my selection. I'm going to go ahead and select daily and then go ahead and click save, and you're done.